So if you're trying to figure out what the blue lock is, where to find it, how to get it removed and eventually approved inside of the Amazon Influencer Program, this video is for you. I'm going to be answering all of those questions so that you can know exactly what to expect with the blue lock and how to eventually get into the program and start earning commissions. So if you see the blue lock on your Amazon Influencer storefront, that means that you are in the program, you have a profile, a storefront, but you can't earn any commissions for review videos until that blue lock is removed. And so what happens is when you get approved, Amazon will give you a profile like a storefront. You can share your storefront URL anywhere. You can drive traffic to your storefront, but none of the review videos that you post on your storefront will be placed on product pages until that blue lock is removed. And to get that blue lock removed, you have to submit 3 review videos for a real person at Amazon to watch and approve. All right, I have a separate video I'll link up above where I go into like the best practices for getting these right, because if you don't, you're gonna have to reapply all over again. It's not worth it. But just a couple of tips: only submit 3 videos. Don't submit any more, don't submit any less. If you submit more than 3, then they're gonna evaluate all of them. So if you submit 10, they're gonna evaluate all 10. A couple other best practices is talk about products that you know a lot about, you can talk confidently about. You don't have to show your face necessarily. Just make sure you don't display any kind of personal information, talk about any prices, show any numbers, show any barcodes, anything like that. Usually it takes about 3 to 5 days, sometimes more or less, to get approved with those 3 videos. And you don't have to submit a custom thumbnail, but just talk about those 3 products, those 3 review videos as just like general, unbiased information. Okay, just make it as like clean and not controversial at all. Okay, just make it very simple and you'll get approved. All right, but like I said, watch that video above where I explain the best practices. Now I want to show you exactly where you can find the blue lock, because Amazon recently as of this video, they changed up how these storefronts are. Real quick, if you want to learn more on how to get approved into the influencer program or how to increase your commissions month after month, I have a free guide, the Amazon Influencer Cheat Code, that I'll link down below in the video description. It'll tell you everything you need to know about the influencer program, and think of it as my free gift to you for watching this video. Also inside the guide is a link to my Facebook group, which you can join for free, where you can ask questions, get more help, and learn the best practices for the influencer program. Like I said, this guide is in the video description. Make sure to grab your free copy. There's the Amazon Creator Hub that was in the past, and then they came out with the Amazon Creator Studio for a few months, but then they went back to the Creator Hub. So you have 2 options. Now, depending on what settings your Amazon storefront is in, it'll be one of the 2, and it'll kind of change as far as seeing that blue lock. So I'm going to show you both, but I highly recommend the Creator Hub, which is like the older version. The newer version kind of sucks. It was pretty confusing. So I'm going to show you what each of those look like. Now, when you go into your Amazon storefront, you're going to see 3 buttons at the top: create content, manage content, and see reporting. Okay. Now with Creator Hub, it's going to look like this. And to get to the blue lock, you're going to click manage content and then videos. That's the easiest way to get here. And so it's kind of tough because you have to go through your storefront homepage to be able to get to the site. Now with the Creator Studio, the newer version, if you click manage content and video, it looks more like this. All right. I really like the older version, the Creator Hub version, because it shows you the average view duration. It shows you the average percentage duration. And also it shows you the overall views in the last 30 days. This is a new account that I've just made, just as like a dummy account to show how to apply, how to get approved, etc. So there's really not much on here, but after you submit the 3 review videos, it's going to say 3 of 3 videos submitted. Now to know if you've been approved or not, okay, 2 things are going to happen. Actually 3. 1, usually you get an email. 2, next time you come into your Amazon Influencer storefront, you're going to get this kind of notification like, congrats, you've been approved. And also 3, the blue lock is going to be removed and you'll be able to see your commissions. Okay. Now, after you've been approved, you're going to want to learn how to actually navigate your storefront a little bit better. I have a separate video that I'll link up to above of how to navigate your storefront, how to click between your influencer and your associate storefronts. And so I would highly recommend watching that video, and I'll see you there.